this is game 3, and what we're doing in this game is we're rolling and sketching. They're going to roll an amount, and then they have to actually sketch it so that you know that kids can draw the coins. Coins have gotten really hard to draw lately because there's so many and there's so many different types. You know, when we were growing up, a quarter was a quarter, but now there's a quarter from Minnesota that's different from a quarter from Nebraska that's different from a quarter from DC. So having kids know and be able to recognize what is a quarter, what is a nickel, is important, and you want kids to be able to sketch it out. So this is roll and sketch. This is roll and sketch. And really, all the kids are doing is sketching out. It's a way to get them to model their mathematical thinking through drawings. So we're going to play with one die each, and we're going to roll. First, we're going to roll to see who goes first, and then you roll and you sketch your amount. You play like 4 or 5 rounds. Whoever wins all those rounds, they're the winner of that game, and then you start a new game. So we will illustrate now. I will roll. I got a penny. Brittany rolled. She got 25 cents, so she's going to start. Okay, Brittany, roll. Okay, and now you're going to sketch. You sketch a penny. And, you know, it's really good to have the model so the kids can even trace. And then they just write like 1 cent on the inside and put 1 cent, right? So they could just have a way of modeling their thinking. I got 10 cents, so I would roll and I would sketch like a little coin, 10 cents, and then I know that that's 10 cents. Brittany goes, and now she sketches 25 cents. That's why you should do this using Tupperware or something so that the dice are contained. I got 10 cents again, so I sketch. I got 10 cents. And then Brittany goes, she got 25 cents again. Whoa. And you could even tell the kids 3 rounds and you're up. So then I would roll, I got 5 cents. And then, you know, you want the kids counting. So I'd say, oh, I have 10, 20, 25. I have 25 cents. That all of this makes 25 cents. It's good to have a recording sheet so that you can see what the kids rolled. Because remember, a lot of these are centers and you're not necessarily there. Don't send kids to the money center to count money that they don't know how to count, though. Okay. All right. So that's roll and sketch. This is game 4. In game 4, we're going to roll and count. And so what the kids are going to do is they roll the dice and then they actually use coins to count out. Now, what you want to do is you can use, you know, the fake plastic coins. You should also use some of the real coins. In a small guided math group, I would use actually the real coins to have them count out. And then when they're in centers, I would use the fake coins. We are going to roll and count out. This is a great game. You have the kids roll, okay, and then they count out how much they got. So you want them to start ordering the amounts. So they can write it out, they can actually sketch it out, or they can count it out. All right, so we have 50 cents. We don't have any 50-cent pieces, so we're going to use 2 quarters. I don't think we have 50-cent pieces in this. Actually, we do have some 50-cent pieces, so we're going to use those. 50-cent pieces aren't that big anymore. People don't really use them that much, but they do exist. So we have 50 cents, we have 25, 25, and a penny. So I have rolled and counted it out. This isn't, you can play it as a competitive game, but it's really just kind of roll and count out. I roll it, I count it out, and then my partner would say how much it is. Brittany, how much is there? $1.01. Right, so you would count it out actually though. 50 cents, 75, $1, and $1.01. All right, so now it's your turn to roll and count out. If you get the dollar sign, it means double that. Okay, so now she has to set it up, and she would set up the money dice like this, and then have the kids really do a one-to-one correspondence. Okay, and now I'm her partner, so I would count it out. 25, 26, 27, 28, 28 cents. All right, and that's how you play it. That's roll and count out. Game 5 is how much more to $1. And so the kids roll, and I got 1 cent, so I'd have to say 99 more cents to $1. Now, one of the things that you can use as a scaffold to support this is the hundreds grid, because the hundreds grid will help kids to be able to count up to $1. A lot of kids don't know how to do that, so using the hundreds grid is a great scaffold for that. All right, in this game, how much more to a dollar? You roll the dice. And then you have to count up how much more to a dollar. Now, for some children, you might use a hundreds grid because that really helps to scaffold it. For others, they'll just know, I have 5 cents. How much more to a dollar? I need 95 cents. So maybe they're going to pick 50 cents, 75, 85, 95, right? I need 95 more cents to a dollar. All right, Brittany.
10 cents.
10 cents. How much more to a dollar?
90 cents. 50, 60, 80, 90.
All right. Now you see there's lots of ways to get to that dollar. So you can have the kids, you can do all kinds of things. You can have the kids show it to you one way, show it to you another way. You might have somebody roll, and then if you're doing it in small guided math groups, you might say, okay, everybody show me how you would make 90 more cents to get to a dollar. You might have the kids compare who needs more cents to get to a dollar. All of that you can do with this. But the idea is that they start somewhere and they have to count up to a dollar.